Have you ever heard about Google Pixel phones? These devices come with a unique UI design called Stock Android, featuring a style known as Material You. Material You adapts the colors of the UI, widgets and icons to match your home screen wallpaper, creating a beautifully cohesive look. Now, why am I telling you all this? Because a developer on GitHub has created a Rainmeter skin called MD3 that brings those same Material You widgets to your Windows desktop. With this skin installed, you can enjoy the adaptive and aesthetically pleasing widgets just like on Pixel phones. In this video, I'll show you how to install this skin and configure it to work properly. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now, the first thing which you must have is to have Rainmeter installed on your computer. And it's actually very easy. Just open your web browser and here search for the Rainmeter. Just like this, search and then go to this website, rainmeter.net. And once you're here, just click on download button right here and you should get the .exe application. Then click on this and install it with this exact installer. Now, once you have Rainmeter up and running, and if you want to check if you have Rainmeter running, you can just simply go here to the system tray and you will see here this Rainmeter icon. You can even put it here to the taskbar for the easier access if you want to. Now, once you have the Rainmeter installed, just go to next tab on your browser and search for the MD3 GitHub. And now you should see this first link, which I will also put in the video description below, right below the like button, by the way. And once you are here on this website, you will scroll down and here you can click here to download the basic version. And here down below, just scroll down and select here this .zip file. This skin actually comes with the free version as well as the paid. And right now I'll just show you how to install the paid version because it's the same process for the free version as well. Now, once you have your file, which should be in zip, make sure that you select it here in your downloads folder and click here to extract all. And now navigate here to the extracted folder just like this. And here you should find this file. So once you have it, you will double left click on it. And if you have the Rainmeter up and running, you will see this Rainmeter skin installer. So here, make sure that you select every single skin here, just like this, and now click on install. And by the way, it's that easy to install this exact skin. And now here down below, we have a few of the options. First of all, I will go with the taskbar. So taskbar, click on the taskbar here, and I will add the taskbar to our desktop. So here I'll click on taskbar, and here you have two of the styles. If you have a free version, you will only have one style available, and this is called style number 1. And if you have the pro version, you will also have style 2 available. And right now I'll just go with the style 1. So click on style 1 here, and this is how this taskbar looks like at the moment. Now, one important thing as well is that you go here to the Windows settings just like this, and here you will go to the personalization and make sure that you here under the colors change the mode of Windows to the dark. So this Material You skin is the most compatible with Windows set to the dark color. So make sure that you have it set to dark. And now you can go back here. And really cool thing about this widget here is that if you, for example, click here on the power button, here you will see another widget pop up just like this. And here you can shut down your computer, restart your computer, lock your computer, put it to sleep or sign out. And then you can just simply here drag it to the position where you want it to be. And then you can just simply click on the same button here and you can see here the position will remain the same. And now if you go here to the system tray here, you can simply click on this arrow and you will see the same thing or similar thing pop up, which I think looks very, very cool. Just position it somewhere here on the screen and click this to hide this skin. You can already see now that we have two of the taskbars. So how can you fix that is go to original taskbar here, right click on it and here select taskbar settings. And down below you can select here taskbar behaviors and make sure that you enable here automatically hide the taskbar. just like this. And now you're able to position this taskbar somewhere here on the screen. So something like this. And if you want to get also rid of all of the icons on your desktop, you can just right click on it, go to the view here, and make sure that you uncheck this option, show desktop icons. Now, if you want to make it in dark color, you can just right click on it, and here you will search for under the variants. So under the variants, you have two variants, dark and light, and you can also pretty much just change that to dark if you prefer a dark version. And this is how this dark version looks like. Now here I'll go back and I will open the start menu. By the way, if you also click here on the start menu, you will also see brand new start menu pop up right here. And this is how it looks like. From this menu, you can also turn off or restart your computer. And you also have here some of the applications which you can also open. So this is pretty much it for the taskbar settings. You can also navigate here back to the actual widgets, and here we have a ton of the widgets to play with. Let's go with the clock widget, for example, and here we have a few of the styles, and the one which are colored in white are available for the free version of the skin. Let's go with the style 1, and this is how it looks like. And if you want to remove the skin, you can simply just click on the same style you clicked on before, and this will remove the skin from your desktop. Let's go with the style 2, and this is how this one looks like. Then we have the style 3 and the style 4. I'll go with the style 4 and I will place it somewhere here on the desktop, and I will also put this wallpaper which you currently see in the video description below. Now let's go back and let's go here to the date widget. Now for the date widget, we have three options, and let's go with the style 1. This is how this first one looks like, and this is how this second one looks like. I will go with the second one. Let's go here back to the weather widget, and here we have two of the options. I will go just with the style 1, which looks like this, and later in the video I will also show you how you guys can configure this skin so it will show you the correct city. Now let's go back, and here I will go to the events widget, so you can also add this widget to your screen as well. For example, this one, and this is how it looks like. And then we can also move on to the music widget, and let's add, let's say, style 3 to the desktop, and this is how the style 3 looks like. And you can also just remove the skin by right clicking on it and then select here unload skin. Here I think I will go with the style 1, and then we also have here the folder widget, which looks like this. I will go back here to the main settings menu, and then we have the greet widget, so basically some greetings, battery widget, and the monitor widget is actually coming soon in the, I think, next update of this same widget, which is really, really cool. Now here I'm going to click on the battery widget, and I think I will add this style 1 to the desktop, and now I will show you guys how to configure all of these settings here so it will work everything properly. So let's go straight with the music widget first. So for the music widget, if you right click on it, you can simply select here settings, and here you will see simple guide of how you can actually enable this music widget, and here on top you'll have to specify which player you are using. Now if you want to see what other browsers are actually playing, you can simply go here and copy web now playing, and then you can just replace the foobar 2000 with web now playing. Make sure that you go here to the file, and here click on save. And now what you want to do here is to open the Edge browser. So you will have to install this extension, which is called Web Now Playing, and you're able to get this extension from the Google Chrome extension store, I believe. And once you have it here, you can simply click here to connect to the Rainmeter. And now once you've done that, you can simply go here, for example, to YouTube and play one of the music videos. And now here I'm going to place this widget somewhere here at the bottom. Now we can also configure this events widget here as well. So here you can see the events from India, I believe, and here you will have to click on edit skin, and this will open the notepad. Now what the developer actually recommends is that if you go here under the Google Calendar one, here make sure that you change this from Indian to whatever country you live in. However, you can also find a full guide on his GitHub page, which I will also leave a link for it in the video description below. Here I will type in USA, and after that go to File file and make sure that you click here on save. And now you can just right click on the widget and make sure that you select here refresh skin. And now you can see the right events going on here in America. Now for the weather widget, it's a bit different. So make sure that you right click on it, and then here make sure that you navigate to the custom skin actions. And here you'll select here edit weather variables. And this is basically the guide how you can change the location of the weather widget. So what you will have to do, you will have to open your browser, and here what I'll do, I'll go to the Google Maps, and here I will search for the London. Once you've searched for your selected city, make sure that you right click on it, and here you will have two of the values. So make sure that you copy these two values and then navigate here to the notepad, and here you will paste these two right here. Now we have here the first one. Make sure that you copy it and replace the first one, and now you can just simply change this one here as well, just like this. And I'll make sure that you delete both of them here, and I'll go to the file and here select save. Now I'll minimize the notepad window and right click on the skin, click on refresh the skin, and now we have here the correct weather for your desired location. Now we can also play with the placement of the widgets wherever on the desktop, but I think this is pretty much it for this Pixel UI or Material U widget for your Windows desktop. So with that said, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you are interested in more Windows customization videos, I think you would really like this video right now on the screen, so make sure that you click on it. With that said, have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you all around in the next one.